Yo, what's good, YouTube? So, getting ready to get short here on S&P 500 here in this silver bullet hour. Basically, we do have a run on this low, and we do have some gaps in here. However, this is going to act as TP levels for us, for TP1 at least. So, yes, we ran this low. However, I think we're heading for lower draws on liquidity. So I'm going to get short in this gap. Stop is right here above this high right here. So this gap, we've got potential runs on liquidity right here, mitigation. We're actually inside of a 15-minute order block as well. We're already inside that 15-minute order block, but this is the trade that we're taking. So TP1 is going to be 5 handles, TP2 is going to be this low, and then TP3 is going to be obviously right down here. So just wanted to catch this. Hopefully it catches us entering. Could have entered off the beginning of the gap. However, I wanted to wait for a little bit deeper push into it, grabbing this liquidity, and then that would tighten up our stop just a little bit. So TP1 is still over a 1-to-1. But I'm getting ready to market execute here on MetaTrader. Oh, it triggered me in here on Top Step. Let's see if one more tick above I can get in. There we go. So I'm in. We are not slowing down as of right now. Maybe this will act as potential resistance for us right here at this order block. But I'll show you guys the 15-minute. So basically just this candle right here, gap right inside of it as well in the 15-minute. So I like this setup. I like the setup a lot. Let me just let everybody know I'm in. This liquidity that I'm targeting down here is, if I jump out here to like the 4-hour, I believe I marked this on. Basically, it's this 4-hour low. I can delete this line. We don't need this line anymore. No, I take that back. It's a lower time frame. 1-hour low right here. 1-hour low right here. Imbalance, tons of imbalance. Still in a premium price range, so I do like it. But if it does push higher from here, one thing that we do know, so we have a new week opening gap just below this price as well. Want to see it kind of draw down into that new week opening gap from last week before wanting to get long. But this is some pretty clean trendline liquidity up here. So if we just rip right through here, then I think that's what it was looking to take out. So, but either way, we'll live with the reality. So my entry is 42.11. So my TP would be 42, or my take profit one would be 42.06. That's TP1. TP2 is going to be right here. Let's see. Maybe the trend isn't always your friend. Looking like right now we're probably going to get stopped out, but that's why our stop's where it is. If it goes there, it goes there. If it doesn't, we'll be happy. We haven't even had one bearish candle this whole hour. Not looking good. Stop loss. No bueno. No bueno. Well, shit. Looks like we're starting the week off with an L after 2 break-even trades this morning. But all good. Just to show you guys, I sent the trade in the Discord. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Getting back with another trade and kind of a finicky setup, and you guys can see why, but I'll explain in a second. Just gonna see if this hits TP1. Gonna trail my stop to break even if it does. TP1 for me is this black line, 5 handles, which is already overall 1 to 2 because this is only 2.25 handles for a stop loss. Very tight stop. So let me see here what we get. Kind of want to trail my stop now, but I don't because I kind of feel like this gap could get pulled back too, because we didn't really tap into it. So that's why this trade's actually finicky, and the reason it's finicky because I didn't even end up getting in on MetaTrader. The reason for it is because I wanted to see 1 tick above. Didn't get. I had a limit order set here on my top step, triggered it, so I got in here, and currently on my way to TP1, but I did not get in on MetaTrader, unfortunately. So we're just riding this out. So that's why it's finicky. Usually this doesn't even trigger you in unless you get 1 tick above. Apparently not today. Ooh, there we go. Trailing stop right now to break even. And holding right now for this. Might scale out one of these. Let's see if I can maybe market order 1 unit. Be a buy because I'm in a sell. Oh. Oh. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna buy one of these. And then I'm going to modify this to 1 as well, because that's all I need now. Same with this buy stop. Yeah. Perfect. So I took some profit. To be honest with you, I'm just kind of chipping away at that loss that we took. It was only a $450 loss. So I just claimed back almost all of that. Once this hits, I'll be profitable, obviously, but what I'm going to do, if we can push, I'm going to roll my stop to 5 handles. That way I can secure even more. But otherwise I'm just going to leave it be for right now. Kind of sucks I didn't catch this on MetaTrader. Truthfully. So, but right now we got a gap here, volume imbalance here. This gap honestly could get pulled back into, because to me this really isn't like tapping into the gap. So this gap very well could get pulled back into. Wouldn't enter anymore because we're past the hour. We're 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes past the hour now. So yeah, just gonna hold this one and let her do its thing. If we make it all the way, then we make it. If we don't make it, all good. All good, all good. But yeah, this is TP2. If I was on MetaTrader, I would hold for another take profit. I honestly would still target these lows down here. But I'll be out of the position by then for this Top Step account. But let's see. I'm going to pause the recording for right now, and I'll come back with an update. Yellow. I'm back. We had a very strong reaction out of this gap. And kind of want to see what we're going to do here. Ooh. Honestly, what I'm going to do, can I grab it? Can't grab it. want to move my pending. Yo, I can't even move it. Trying to trail my stop loss, and it is not letting me grab anything. Yes, can I grab this? Thank you. Kind of want to trail it to like right here. One tick above the gap now that we've tapped into it. Give it a little extra room here, and hopefully we can make her the rest of the way down here. But I've now rolled my stop, protected some profits. Let's watch and see. Yo, what is good, YouTube? So I had paused the recording and I just went and started making lunch, and my alert was triggered, so I came back, started the recording up, and this is what had happened. So there you go. It came back, looks like, got really close to my stop loss, which was one tick above this high right here, and literally just now tapped perfectly off of this. That's pretty crazy. But that's all I got. Peace out, y'all.